Now class third B. Class third B. Subject is GK. Subject GK and date is 6/11/2020. So now you see page number lesson 50. Lesson 50. Page number 69 and page number 69 and 70. And name of the lesson word records. Lesson word records. Word records. Lesson word records. So first, it is the greatest tree cut. Number one is greatest tree cut. Greatest tree cut. So in this lesson we are studying the living tree with greatest circumference is that belonging to Al Arbol del Tuel in Oaxaca State, Mexico. This Montejum cypress measured 137 feet tall in 1998 with a girth of approximately 119 feet and a diameter of 38 feet at 5 feet above the ground. Once again, greatest tree girth or circumference. The living tree with the greatest circumference or girth is that belonging to El Arbol del Tuel in Oaxaca State, Mexico. This Montezuma cypress, this botanical name is Taxodium macronatum. Taxodium macronatum measured 138 feet in 138 feet tall in 1994 with a girth of approximately 119 feet and a diameter of 38 feet at 5 feet above the ground. Next, oldest tropical rainforest. Second one is oldest tropical rainforest. Second, oldest tropical rain forest. Oldest tropical rain forest. The Dendry is one of the oldest forests in the world, dating back to prehistoric times. The Dendry rainforest is the largest rainforest on the Australian continent and contains over 12,000 species of insects alone. It is also considered a home of 3,000 species of plants, many of which are classified as rare or the threatened. So, this is the tropical rainforest. This is the very dense population of the plants and also as the animals, and it is found in the equatorial regions of the earth. Now, next, longest glass bottom bridge. Next one is the longest glass bottom bridge. Longest glass bottom bridge. The longest glass bottom bridge is the 1601 feet Red Cliff Valley Glass Suspension Bridge, opened in 2017 at the Hangyu scenic area in Hebei province, China. It has a deliberate swaying motion to add an extra fear factor to the 702 feet drop made from 1077 panels in 1.5 in glass and supported by cables that weigh over 120 tons. The bridge is designed to take the weight of 2000 people, although no more than 600 tourists are allowed to cross at any one time. This is the unique bridge and it is found in the China. Now next, highest grossing original animation. Next one is highest grossing original animation. So this is Frozen. Frozen is the highest grossing animated movie of all time, having accumulated a worldwide gross of 1.290 billion dollar at the box office. Now next, this is the very important Largest comic book published. This is very important. Largest comic book published. Fifth, largest comic book published. Largest comic book published. The largest comic book published measures 7 feet 7 square feet 73.28 meters square and it is called Termada Monica, created by Moriko de Sousa, producers, and published by Panini, Brazil. Both are the Brazil, verified in Sao Paulo, Brazil on 5th August 2018. The full cover was printed in a run of 120 copies and it was 2 feet 3.51 in wide and 3 feet 3.29 in height with a weight of 192 kg. Now, next one, the largest recycled plastic sculptor. Sculptor. 6. Largest recycled plastic sculptor. Supported. So the largest recycled plastic sculptor is 84 feet 11.9 in long, 26 feet 5.8 in wide, and 13 feet 9.6 in high, and was achieved by the Monterey Bay Aquarium, USA in San Francisco, California, USA, as verified on 26 November 2018. And, uh, and 7. Longest distance swam by a robot on a single set of AA batteries. So next one, the longest distance by a robot on a single set of AA batteries. So the longest distance swept by a robot of a single set of A batteries is 3.002 km, achieved by Mr. Evolta Neo, built by the Panasonic Corporation, Japan, at the Hiroshima, Japan on 10 November 2018. And next, most expensive school. Next one is the most expensive school. And A, most expensive school. Most expensive school, that is Lee Rosie, is a boarding school founded in 1880 by Paul Cornell. Students enjoy a bilingual French and English and bicultural education. Students spend their time on two levies campus, one in Roll on Lake Geneva and a winter campus in the mountains at Justin. The roughly 70-acre campus contains boarding houses, academic buildings, and with 50 classrooms and 8 science laboratories, and a library with 30,000 volumes. The campus also includes a theater, 3 dining rooms where students dine in formal dress, 2 cafeterias, and a chapel. So, this was about the word required. Thank you. That's for today.